Hi guys! Today's video is about the star fruit that I harvested yesterday. This is a lot and I am the only one who eat this, and I still have in the kitchen the big bags. So I eat this yesterday. This like orange color and they taste sweet. If you eat this, it's kind of sour a little bit, sour and sweet. So if you ask a question that star fruit in Texas, do they live? Yes guys, it lives, but you have to take care of it, like extra tender love and care. This star fruit is from my mother-in-law's plant at their front yard. The story of this, year 2010, it was planted in the backyard. And then when the winter came, December to February, they freeze. So they die. So at the month of March, it's springtime, March and April, they're alive again. It's from the roots. So they're alive again, and they have this green stuff, branches and the leaves coming out. So mother-in-law dug it up and transfer it to her front yard. It's like the gated front yard, where it's gated and there's a wall, like a U wall, so that when the winter came, my mother-in-law put a heater on it because it's very cold. These are tropical fruits, and then when it's winter, they get freeze. So so she put a heater and a tarp, covered with a tarp. So that's why they live. So just extra tender loving and care. So now let's go to the video. Okay guys, I'm here with my mother-in-law's star fruit. There's a lot of fruits. And this is the that one is very orange. It went to the roof of the house. And some fell off the ground. This is called a fruit bag, I think. We call it abungaw in Bisaya, Philippines. Abungaw. Fruit bags. That's a lot of fruits. Over my head and to the roof. Okay guys, let's climb and harvest. See guys, it's a lot. I can't eat this all. I have to give it some to my friends. Share the blessings. Daghan, maraming bunga guys. Oh, there's a lot of fruits. Star fruit. Ito pa lang na harvest ko guys. Ang dami siyang bunga. May bag dito. There's a love bag. Hello guys! You want some? There's a lot. I can't eat it. I can give some to my friends. Over here. Okay, I'll just leave the green here.
Okay.
Hey, Grandpa, it's an error occurred on my iPhone.
It's a what?
Error.
Is it still taking your picture?
Uh-huh. That's a video.
Uh-huh.
It's working. YouTube.
Good.
YouTube.
Search.
I think this is a lot already.
Okay, you can have as many as you want. I cut them up and freeze them, and I put them in smoothies.
This one is very. Look. Here you go.
Wait, what? There.
It's good. It's sweet when it's orange.
Yeah, just that too.
It's sweet when it's orange. It's not sour. It's sweet. They change the flavor change. Good. Okay. I think I'm done.
Where's Mommy?
I'm right here. Okay, can you move down? Can you move it here? Okay, I'm ready to climb. So in the winter, you still have to do some heater? No more?
No, it's big trees, big enough.
So last few years you put some heater, right?
No, we would cover it sometimes.
Cover, no more heater. You don't put heater anymore.
It's too tall.
So this year, last year, it did it freeze.
Well, see, it froze down, and we cut it off all the way down here. Then when it grew up, it grew real tall.
You have to explain because you're recorded.
Okay.
So this year you cover with a tarp or no? Last year.
No, we didn't cover it. It didn't freeze this year.
Okay.
That's why it got so many star fruit, I guess.
So here is does squirrel eat this? Look, squirrel or birds?
I don't know. Squirrel looks like. Just throw them on the ground
See?
over here.
And
They are good for compost.
yeah.
Good fertilizer. Compost. Oh my God, this is a lot. I can't eat this all. I'm gonna come back and
You'll have to
harvest
bring
again.
Kurt to get those tall ones. You'll have to bring a tall person.
Oh, this one. I love bug eating it. Love bugs.
There's one right above your head there.
I love bugs eating.
I don't know.
There is
They don't eat it, do they?
they eat.
I don't know.
They love bugs. What you call those? They are both together.
A lot of them up there, huh?
Yeah, there's a lot of
There's more than I thought.
starfruit that's been eaten by also the
Something
Ants.
might be eating them. Yeah.
ants also. See,
Uh-huh.
ants eat them.
Oh, she's talking to that camera.
When they get sweet like that, I bet the ants eat them.
Yeah, because when this sweet it is sweet, it's not sour. In the Philippines, we cook this in sinigang. It's like a sour soup. So this is in Texas, guys. Texas has a star fruit. But still, maybe you're the only one growing star fruit.
Not too many people.
This is expensive.
Very expensive at the store. Yeah. Probably because it won't keep well.
Maybe I can sell this in online.
Maybe.
And some people make this as a candy. I can search for a recipe.
Uh-huh. There's enough to make a recipe, that's for sure.
There's Chloe. Chloe, can you take a picture of me in the iPhone? Cheese.
She's going to be your photographic assistant.
Yes. Oh, this one is not here. This one. Oh. Wow. I should wear a shoes, not a sandals.
Yes, you should.
Right.
Sick.
That's me you are watching.
He can move the ladder too if you can't reach him.
I come back tomorrow.
Okay.
Google.
I have to go home.
Squid images.
I'll come back next time because there's some more. You share with us a lot of fruits, huh?
Be careful.
Hey, come back next time. Okay guys, there's some more in there and I'm done harvesting for today. Maybe tomorrow I'll come back.
Spread them out on the table.
Yeah, okay, this is my harvest for today. And I cannot eat this all. I have to give it some to my friends. This is my mother-in-law's star fruit. She grows it here in Texas. This is a tropical fruits, but you can grow in Texas when you take good care during the winter.